everybody. So when I was leaving Gulf Breeze, I'm not from Pensacola, I'm from Gulf Breeze, there's a bridge. My mom said to me, Andrew, are you wearing that? It's like, yeah, Mom, duh. And she goes, well, you look like a fine Italian sofa. And I'm so gay that I was not even mad. Like, please, yes, say that. But I think I'm more of a love seat because I can fit 2 men on this lap. Just saying. So, I just recently turned 30 and I got a car finally. Yep. 15 years too late, but whatever. That's fine. I actually paid for gas in just dimes and nickels the other day, so I'm an adult now. Did it, made it, yeah. Guys, there's one thing about cars that I always liked. I thought license plates always fascinated me. I always tried to find like a word in someone's license plate or whatever. You know, my mom, her license plate, it starts with PBS. I thought that was cute because she loves PBS. She watches it all the time. My license plate starts with JZM, which is Jism. I guess that's appropriate because I love that. I don't know. Guys, I want to can we get a round of applause for all the comedians that opened up earlier tonight? They were wonderful. The last time I headlined a show, I had a shitty opener. But in a different way. It's not like they were a bad comedian. The Ronald McDonald House in Pensacola asked me to do comedy for their charity event. So apparently they knew I did comedy, but they didn't know who I was. Because I don't belong there. And right before I performed, they said, hey, someone's just going to speak before you and then you're going to go on. And I was like, okay, cool. The mom of this child comes up and starts talking about their experience with the Ronald McDonald House. She starts talking, she's like, my child, holding the child right now, is a shotgun wound baby. It's like, what? What? Apparently this baby accidentally shot itself. Yeah. Mom starts crying. So does everyone else in the crowd. I'm like, fuck. Shit, I have to do comedy after this. Goddamn shotgun baby. The worst part is the baby started getting laughs. Because everyone was crying and the baby started knocking the mic out of its mom's hands. And just like, ugh. And everyone was cracking up. And I was like, fucking, this fucking baby made them laugh and cry. Now I gotta go up. Goddamn shotgun baby, I hate that bitch. I call that baby a bitch because I call anyone who's better than me a bitch. I learned that one from Elton John. It's the bitch, I'm a bitch, and a bitch is back. I felt like that coming to Tallahassee. This is my 3rd time here, and I'm like, yeah, I'm back. That's right, and I just get fatter every time I show up. Literally, I was 20 pounds less than last month. 20 pounds less the month before, so I'm doing great. Guys, as I said, I'm from Gulf Breeze. I'm not from Pensacola. Gulf Breeze is actually the UFO capital of the world. Little known fact, it's not Roswell. We had an X-Files episode about us. And you know what? I'm getting kind of pissed off about it though, because like, aliens never abduct the people that want to get anally probed. I'm like laying on my belly at night with a neon sign pointed toward my ass and saying, pick me, pick me. Nothing. Nothing. It's like, shit, there's nothing for me on Earth. I gotta go intergalactic, you know? Intergalactic. Guys, here on Earth, it's really difficult dating. I've been trying. I met this guy on Grindr. Yeah. And we had actually a really nice first date. And then we had a second date. And he told me to look really classy and nice. It's like, okay. So I dressed up and I walked outside when he picked me up. And I was like, what are we doing? What's going on? And he goes, Well, you know, I have a storage room in Daphne, Alabama we could go fucking. How did you know that's what I was hoping we would do? Push me up on that grandfather clock. Fuck me with that big old cock. I don't know. But it's not any better dating someone that you have met in real life. Because I met this one guy in real life, he let me know that like he was kind of into guys. I was like, oh, awesome, let's hang out. We hung out, went to his house. He was like, hey, you want to go to my room? I was like, fuck yeah. Brought me to his room, he turns on all the lights, and there's just tons of muskrat skulls everywhere. And on the wall, 17 skinned coyote faces. I'm like trying to rationalize it, like maybe he likes to, you know, role play as Roadrunner and Wile E. Coyote. But I thought about it more, I'm like, if I'm the coyote, no matter what happens in this situation, I'm gonna end up dead. As fuck. So, you know, I fucked a serial killer, that's cool. Mental illness is sexy, y'all. Right? Right? Okay, if not, I guess, whatever. I love coming back to Tallahassee. I actually lived in Tallahassee for 4 months, because fuck this place. But like, here's the thing. Whenever I come do comedy here in Tallahassee, I eat a shit ton of oysters, get super horny, and go on Grindr, and no one fucks me. It's not the best experience, but hey, it gets me going. But when I lived in Tallahassee, I actually was talking to this guy online, and his name was Kamal. And sexy black man, and I was all about it. And one day he messaged me, he's like, hey, I went to visit my mom in Nigeria. I'm stuck at the airport. They're not accepting my ticket. I need $250 to get my flight from Nigeria to Tallahassee. I'm like, sounds legit, right? Let me wire $250 over to Nigeria, get you over here lickety split. Never heard from Kamal again. This is a fucking catfish town, I'm telling you. One time in Pensacola, I got catfished. This guy started messaging me, and it was weird. We were talking, whatever, and sends pictures, and it turns out it's one of my friends. I'm like, what the fuck? Sends me dick pics and everything. I'm like, holy shit, am I really gonna fuck my friend? Then I started getting more messages from other profiles, and they were all my friends and all their dick pics. I was like, okay, I'm getting catfished. Someone's catfishing my friends to get their dick pics to send to me, and they think I'm gonna be angry about that? Keep it going. I'm never gonna fuck these straight boys, but I'll see their dicks. Cool with it. Cool with it. Guys, one time someone asked me to send them a dick pic, and I sent them one, and they sent it back. I know that's weird, but like it came back with red markings circled in this one spot, and they just said, "What is this?" I was like, penis? I don't know. And okay, guys, I'll be honest with you. I've got what I like to call a marble rye dick. And it goes from dark to lighter. And for some reason, they just circled where it went from dark to lighter, and they thought that was a problem. A big problem. Well, you know what? Lots of dicks are like that, bitch. Shut the fuck up. And yeah, own your dick. Own your dick. I started thinking about it, I was like, wow, no one's ever paid that much attention to my dick. You know, they took the time to download that picture, put it into Microsoft Paint, circle it in red, and send it back. How sweet. How sweet. He's a dick tutor. Actually, someone asked me for a butt pic once, sent it, and then they said, hey, nice cunt. What? I have one of those? I am so unaware. Actually, at first I thought a cunt was something you put in grandma's heart when it goes out, but that's a shunt. I am just still to this day baffled. But apparently, I have a nice cunt. Don't be angry that I'm saying cunt either, because I don't know what it means. It's like a 2-year-old saying it, so whatever. Guys, it's weird, like, sometimes you ask people for pictures and they immediately send a picture of their butthole. Yeah, this only happens to us gay people. It's straight up, and the thing that amazes me, it's in perfect focus. You can see every fold of that butthole. How does that happen? They must have a friend who they're real close with, who's got a goddamn Canon camera, who's ready to take some damn good headshots of your butt stuff. So, I don't know, they say to lead with your best foot forward, but if your best foot's your butthole, I don't know. Don't do it. Don't do it. But be proud of your butthole just as you should be proud of your dick. My butthole's kind of like a reverse mood ring. Because, like, when it's wrapped around your finger, you know I'm happy. Just saying. Just saying. Guys, I've been reading up on gay culture so that I can be more a part of the scene. And I read about this thing called the hanky code, which is this special gay code in bars that if you wear a certain color handkerchief, you're into a certain sort of kink. Yeah, it does sound awful. Well, I was reading through it, and I was thinking, like, shit, I would just be like a magician pulling handkerchiefs out of his mouth. It's like, what do you need? I will give it to you. Shows that I don't have a gag reflex either, so that's pretty. 2 birds, 1 stone, you know? But I read on there that people who are chubby chasers wear an apricot-colored handkerchief. And I have no clue what that color is, and I really need to know what that color is. I'm like going around the bar like, sir, that apricot? No, it's peach. Peach. Okay, we'll deal with this. Apricot, sir? No, plum. Okay, who the fuck got the right fruit for this chubby ass? Chubby boys need love too. Just saying. Just saying. I was reading some of the kinks in there too. There's one that's, it's a black handkerchief with a gold stripe, and it means interrogation.
Oh my.
Yeah, what the fuck does that mean? All I'm thinking is like there's a good cop and a bad cop. The good cop is sucking your dick while the bad cop's throwing water in your face and going, "Where's the girl?" Sounds kind of hot, honestly. I would watch a porn like that, for sure. I have a very specific porn niche, which is Wolverine fucking Cyclops. Oh, it's so hot. Please just, honestly, it's for all genders as well. Just look it up. They have it. And it's so fucking good. I don't care. Have you not always wanted Wolverine to just hate fuck Cyclops? Because he's been doing it in his mind the whole time anyway. So, I don't know, I'm into it. Another thing I'm into is that show Survivor. Yeah, well, I'll explain a little bit. Like, me and my mom were watching it, and she's just like, you know what, I love this show, but why do all the men have to always be in their underwear? You can always see their junk. I'm like, because it's hot! Out there! On the island, Mom. That's why we must see the entire outline of all of their dicks. And that's why it has 10 million viewers still after 25 years. No, it's been only 17. Guys, there's a guy I was seeing for a little bit, and he was calling me daddy. I didn't know what to say back. I'm like, hey, champ. Hey, sport. Take a seat on my lap. Let me tell you a story about my dick. I don't know what to tell him. He also, okay, this is a really strange fucking thing. I probably shouldn't be telling any of you. He will be very angry when he watches it. Apparently there's something called a cock cage, where you put your dick into a little cage so you can't get hard. And I was so confused, like, why would I want that? And he started saying, like, yeah, I want you to put it in a cage and call it my little clitty. What? Your little clitty? I'm sorry, I'm too gay for this shit. Get me out of here. Oh no. This one guy, after he sucked my dick, said, hey man, you look real good. No homo, but, like, you look real good. I'm like, what the fuck? Is there some sort of, like, no homo oath that these, like, curious straight guys take? Like, no matter what dick you suck, you say no homo. No matter what. No matter what. Guys, I say I'm gay, but I really don't like the term gay. Because the definition, like, gay means you're really happy and we're always, like, depressed and killing ourselves. Gay. You might as well call me a fag. It's more accurate. You know, fag's a cigarette. Light me up, breathe me in, bitch. They say God hates fags. You know, the Westboro Baptist Church. But if God hated fags, we'd be able to get each other pregnant. Thank you, madam. So guys, I read something. I'm going to leave you with this. I know I'm leaving, so... That's a gay trombone. So someone say he's cute, because if you did, I will fuck you right now. Anyway, I read that there are a few states, including Ohio, because fuck Ohio, that if you get remarried to someone of the same sex, they cannot adopt your children. Yeah, it's kind of just a weird law to be out there. I was wondering, it's like, you know that trope, the evil stepmother? I feel like there's now, like, the diabolical gay stepfather. That would be a great Disney villain, right? Always buying you fabulous clothes that are 2 sizes too small. When your friends come over, they're in drag. They're never in drag otherwise, but friends come over, it's full regalia. So I wanted to talk a little more about it, and I thought, you know what? This would be a great Disney villain. I'm gonna write a Disney villain song for it. Right? So I'm gonna sing it for you guys. It's special. I've never done it for you. I hope you enjoy. Dim the lights, start the strobe, pass the poppers, blast the Kylie low. You say I'm nasty, I say you're sassy. You say I'm obscene, I say yes, queen. Cause infame's my favorite hobby, my lifestyle's liberty. When my hedonistic heathens come barging through the door, you'll wish you never told the judge you didn't want to live with mommy anymore.